We are not a big institution with a wide variety of classes. We are a small family-run business which focuses on a couple key areas. Our most popular class is our IELTS preparation course.
Professionals and academics who are looking to further their careers in Canada have a major hurdle to overcome: passing the IELTS exam. Our 24-week course is designed for someone who is currently at a band score of 5 or higher on the academic test and needs between a 6.5 or 7.5. We offer step-by-step tips, tools, methods to ensure your success, and our small class sizes guarantee that the tutor has time specifically for you while covering all aspects of the test: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. You can't build a house without a solid foundation. Our English Building Blocks course is designed for the lower intermediate student who needs to build a solid English foundation. We help students to improve their grammar and vocabulary while practicing the 4 basic skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Our conversation course is uniquely designed for the settled immigrant, someone who is already living and working in their field but still struggles when speaking with native speakers in daily life conversations. It's actually kind of interesting to see how many people have very high levels of academic English yet struggle with daily conversations. For instance, one of my previous conversation students was a doctor, living and working in Canada for a number of years. He had absolutely no language barriers when talking to his colleagues about work-related topics. But when it came to making idle chit-chat over lunch or discussing weekend plans and families, he often found himself a little lost. And that's why he came to us. We can improve your speaking for daily life through real situations. Learn natural expressions, idioms, phrasal verbs, things that aren't taught in textbooks but commonly used by native speakers. And these will boost your confidence and fluency.